We're doing demos. I thought I'd do a demo for you today on this little device. It's called Moasure. It is a motion-based measuring device. I'll pop it into the cradle. To turn it on, I simply just rotate it, just like so. I launch the app. I'll go to closed shape. We're already connected. So now, I'm going to show you that this is going to measure distances, angles, widths, elevations, rise and fall. We're going to go through obstacles. So to start us off, let's do a straight line measurement along here. As I move along, I got to remember I need to put it down every 6 to 8 seconds just to capture a point. At the moment I'm taking about 3 seconds or so because I want to get, let's say these are reference points or monuments, points of interest that I want to capture. Now coming up in front of me, it's no longer a straight line, we have an arc, so I can swap from straight line to arc. For an arc I need 3 points. I've got 1, let's go for 2. That's 2. Let's go for 3. Okay, and if you can see on the screen here, I've got a perfectly precise arc. First part was the straight line. You've got all your numbers on there, your distances, 10 foot, 11.6, 7.6, and then 49.6 foot for the arc. Just for a bit of fun, we've got a little bit of a squiggle and a curve. It's an irregular shape. I think Moasure 1 really comes into its own when you've got irregular shapes. There's not a lot of straight lines in this world anymore. We've got nice, pretty curves and bends. So we've got a mode for that. I'm going to swap from arc mode to trace, just right there. And now all I need to do is just walk along and trace the shape out. Remember to put it down nice and gently. And now if you want to look on here, we've traced out a lovely arc, a lovely curve in trace mode. I'm going to switch direction now, and I'm going to show you guys that we don't just do distances or lengths or breadths, we also do elevations, gradients, rise and fall. So I'm going to head up onto this bench. Morning.
Good morning.
There we go. Now, I spoke about the fact that obstacles don't matter to Moasure 1. It's unstoppable. It's just going to go right through here. If I want a straight line measurement from here all the way over to that other bench, I know a wheel wouldn't go through it or a laser wouldn't go through it. With Moasure 1, let's take the scenic route and walk around and walk over here. So you all saw me take the scenic route all the way around. However, if you look on the screen, I'll come down here so the cameraman can see it. If you look on the screen, that's the line there. It's a straight line, as straight as an arrow. So let's head home. Okay, I think home is that way, and then I can show you what it looks like in 3D. Oh, I'm not Usain Bolt. I don't think I can make it in 6 to 8 seconds, so I can stop. There we are, and I can stop the measurement. So there's the measurement in 3D. If you look closely, you can see that we've got the total area, we've got the total perimeter, we've got all the numbers on there. If I go into 3D mode, just zoom in a bit, I'm going to pan around, keep going. Can you see if I zoom in there? There's my elevations. You can see that when I hopped up onto the bench, it was 1.9 foot. We have another trick up our sleeve. If we want a bit more information, we've got a tool called cross section. So let me choose this point here, or any point for that matter. I can get the rise, the length, the rise and the run between any 2 points. I can dive in a bit more and get more information. I can get the gradients and the angles. So that is Moasure 1. Once I've got my drawing, I can now export that to 3D for AutoCAD, SketchUp Pro. It's got CSV points, CSV++. So that'll work in Dynascape and Vectorworks and ArcSight. You can print it off. You can email it in PDF form as well. Moasure 1.